Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Tower. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Tower is making strange noises when in use, it can be quite alarming. This issue often arises from worn-out fans or hard drives, which can lead to overheating or even data loss if not addressed promptly. Ignoring these noises could result in more significant damage to your device over time, so it's crucial to act quickly. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, anti-static wrist strap, compressed air canister, and a replacement fan or hard drive, depending on what we find. Begin by ensuring the Lenovo Tower is powered off and unplugged. Use a screwdriver to remove the side panel screws carefully, keeping them in a safe place. Once the panel is off, gently slide it away from the case. Now, listen closely to identify where the noise is coming from. If it's the fan, you may notice it spinning erratically or making unusual sounds. To replace the fan, locate the screws securing it to the motherboard. Remove these screws, and gently disconnect the fan's power cable. If the noise is from the hard drive, look for signs of wear. You will need to unscrew the hard drive mount and disconnect its cables. Take your replacement component and carefully install it by reversing the removal steps. When securing the new fan or hard drive, ensure you apply even pressure and don't over-tighten the screws, as this could damage the components. Before reassembling the case, use the compressed air canister to clean out any dust, which can help prevent future noise issues. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is securely in place, slide the side panel back onto the case and reattach the screws. Finally, plug in your Lenovo Tower and power it on to check if the noise has been resolved. To prevent this problem from occurring again, ensure your device is kept in a clean environment and regularly check for dust buildup. Additionally, consider running maintenance software periodically to keep your hardware in optimal condition. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.